Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2007 Honda CBR1000RR. This bike has 20,600 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great looking 1000cc super sport. Back here in the end, you can see it has an aftermarket exhaust, fender eliminator kit, also has a nice saddleman seat on it, some frame sliders, adjustable levers, some flush mount blinkers up front. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We put 2 brand new tires on it, oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.